Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer the double integral. So for this one, we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and we know that x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we have r squared cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. Now we can do about factorization by r squared. And this one, that is about number 1. So you got about r squared. dy dx we change for r dr d theta. And now we need to consider the bounds in here. So we have dy, that means y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of 1 minus s squared. About s, that is from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now we need to graph about this one. So we put the power number 2 for the both sides, and that is about y squared equals to number 1 minus s squared. So I will put this one go to the left. So we can see that this one, that is about the circle with the center 0, 0, and the radius, that is about the square root of number 1. So you got number 1. And now we need to graph this one. So we know that y is greater than or equals to number 0, that is about this one, and smaller than this one. And the next one, s between negative number 1 to positive number 1. That means we need to focus on this one in here. So this one we have negative number 1, negative number 1, number 1, and positive number 1. So we need to change this one in here. So s, that is about r cosine theta. So I will put this one gone here. So we have r squared cosine theta squared. This one, that is about r squared. This one, that is about r dr d theta. So about dr, that is about the radius of the circle. That should be from 0 to number 1. About the theta, that is from, so they start in here and they stop in this location, and that is about b. So that should be from 0 to b. And now we need to calculate this one. So we have r squared to the power of 2 and r that is about r to the power of number 7. And we put this one gone here. So the integration of this one that is about r to the power of 8 over number 8, and then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have 1 over 8. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So number 8 and number 2, we have 16. The integration of this one that is about 1 over 2 sine 2 theta. Number 1 that is about theta. So I will put b gone here, number 0 gone here. This is positive number 1, sorry. So we have b over 16. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.